What if the man chosen to lead American intelligence agencies arrived before his officially started? Ask for a list of employees to fire, question whether he could take classified intelligence home, and wanted to know if he gets his own government plans. Sound unbelievable, right? Will that exactly that making headlines across Washington today? Welcome to back my channel. Today we are breaking down the explosive controversy surrounding Bill Bilde. President Donald Trump, new acting director of national intelligence, and why Democrat intelligence officially, and even some Republicans are sounding the alarm. The office of the Director of National Intelligence is one of the most sensitive positions in the US government. The person in this rules oversees 18 intelligence agencies, including organizations responsible for analyze threat or American national security. Bill Beltis arrive Bill Beltis' arrival has already become one of the most controversial political stories in America. According to CNN, Beltis showed up to the intelligence headquarters a day before officially talking office and immediately began asking questions that reportedly surprised staff member and reside concerns among intelligent professionals. Reports suggested that Pulte requested a list of all employees working in the office of the Director of National Intelligence. But why? Source claim he wanted to evaluate which position could be eliminated, with the discussion reportedly involving hundreds of potential jobs cuts. For intelligence officially, his was a major signal the party intend to reshape the agency quickly and aggressively, but that not what generated the biggest controversy. According to report during briefing about the agency responsibility, Pulte reportedly asked whether he could bring the president's daily brief to his home. The president daily brief contain some of the most sensitive intelligence information in the U.S. government. Will they are source method for authorized officially to access it? The question itself report surprised intelligence staff. He he also reportedly asked about his security clearance status and whether he would have access to government aircraft. These reports have fueled question about his preparedness for one of the country's most important national security position. The biggest criticism is not just about the question Pulte asked, it's about his background. Unlike many previously intelligence chiefs, Pulte has no significant intelligence experience. His supporters agree that experience is not everything, and that President Trump's wants somehow can reform what many conservation view has overseas intelligence bureaucracy. Criticized who were agree that many Americans intelligence community require deep knowledge of national security, operation, classified information, and global threat. Democratic Congressman Jim Hames reacted strongly, saying Congress will closely mentor polity action and experience um, concerns over possibly mass loaf within the intelligence community. Trump's strategy. The understand that To understand why Trump selected Bill Belty, we need to look at the bigger picture. Trump has long agreed that parts of the federal government become too powerful to political and the residents reform. Pulte is widely viewed as a loyal Trump ally. Many analysts believe Trump chose him uh, specifically because he's willing challenge to existing system and push through change the previous intelligence leader um, may have receded.